This is a floodlight camera, and as the name suggests, it is both a floodlight and a security camera put together as one unit. Both the floodlight and the camera can be controlled or operated through a mobile phone. Please stay with me as we see how the system can be fully set up. This is the floodlight section, and this is the camera. The camera comes with a memory card slot here, where you can place in a memory card for recording the videos from this camera. Here is a sample memory card, and this is how it is placed into the camera. And you can then close up this unit. These are the terminals through which AC power is supplied into this camera. And here is also a provided termination bridge. So I'll start by placing the earth terminal into the bridge first, and then screw it up. You have to ensure that it is very firm. Then you place the neutral wire, screw it up. And then we'll place the live wire as well. Screw it up also. There is the need for a 3-core cable like this one to connect power into the camera. This particular one that I have here has an earth wire, a neutral wire, and a live wire, just like the device also has the 3 terminals. So I'll match the earth terminal to that of the floodlight camera and screw it up. The neutral goes to the middle to match the other neutral from the floodlight. I'll screw it up. And finally, the live wire also goes to this point, matching with the device's live wire. We'll tighten it also. So you can see that I have matched each of the cables, the earth wire to earth wire, neutral wire to neutral wire, and then the live wire to live wire. So this end can be plugged into a socket. I have just turned on power from my socket, and you can see that the floodlight is on. The floodlight is gone off now after the camera has initialized. So we'll now go onto the phone to continue with the phone setup. On your mobile phone, you'll have to download and install this app called the NG Techo Home. When you finish downloading and installing, you will have to create a user account on that app. So when you open the app, this is what you see. And so you will have to tap on add device since we want to add our camera. These are all NG Techo devices that can be added to this app. So we'll need to locate the floodlight camera. So we'll have to scroll down. This is the floodlight camera. So we'll select it. The instruction here requires that the device we intend to add to this app must be powered on, and that an indicator light on the device should be flashing. So when we look at the device here, our floodlight camera here, you can see the indicator light flashing on it. So we'll go back onto the app now, and then we'll choose this and then tap on next. This is the Wi-Fi connection section, where the device has automatically seen my Wi-Fi. When you are done entering the Wi-Fi password here, you would have to tap on next. Now you would have to use your camera to scan this QR code you see until you hear a prompt from the camera. So I'll point the QR code to the camera. Once I hear the prompt from the camera, I will select I heard a prompt. Now my device is connecting. You can see that the device is successfully connected now. So I'll tap on done, tap on the camera, and you can see the camera pictures. You can maximize your menus from here. So these are menus for various functions that you can perform on this phone. But I would like to touch briefly on the light function. So I'll tap on light. So here are the controls you can use to remotely operate the floodlight. I say remotely because we have connected internet through the Wi-Fi into this system. So wherever you are, you can control the various functions on this camera wherever you are, no matter the distance of your location. So you can change the light from being a warm light to fluorescent from here. You can regulate the light intensity. You can create a schedule on when the light should come on or when it should go off, and many other features that you can perform using the various controls on this app. I would like to hear from you about this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.